Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable in-ear detection for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add this earbud to the app. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Now you need to scroll down, but just a bit. We need to find additional settings and tap at this line. In the first line we have in-ear detection, and by default it enabled. To disable it, you need to tap at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And to enable it, you need to tap one time also at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. Once this mode enabled, it means that when you listen to music and remove your earbuds, it will stop playing your music, and when you put your earbuds to your ears, it will automatically resume to play this music. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!